Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Genesis G70 key fob. First, make sure you have the correct replacement battery, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, as the components are small. This preparation will make the process smooth and prevent any lost parts. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small release button on the side or back of your Genesis G70 key fob. Press this button and pull out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or indentation. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to make sure it's working correctly. You should now be able to lock and unlock your Genesis G70. For a great deal on durable socks and other fantastic offers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.